Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to fix YONO SBI app is not updating. So when you are trying to open the app, or if you are using the app at the time, if the app is asking you to update, when you're trying to update the app from the Google Play Store, in the Play Store you are getting this type of irritating error message: this app is no longer compatible with your device, contact the developer for more info. So if you are also facing the same type of problem issue, this video is for you only. Watch this video till end very carefully. Okay, so if your mobile version OS is running on older version like 8, 9, 10 or 11, from now guys, this app is not run on that devices. Okay, so this is the new update from the YONO SBI. So if you want to check this, go to the about app section, scroll down, and here the app developer was clearly mentioned the OS version under this section will be updated 12 and above. Okay, if your Android version is not running on 12, at that time you can definitely face this type of problem. Okay, so for this guys, first you need to check your phone version. To check this, you need to open your phone settings. Okay, open the phone settings, scroll down and go to about phone and go to software information. From here you need to check your Android version. So our Android version is 11, so this means the app will not run in our device. Okay, to update your phone, to update your Android version, you need to update your phone. Okay, to update your phone, in the phone settings, go to software update, click on download and install. If the software update is available, just simply go ahead, update your phone, that's it. Okay, after updating, it will fix your problem. So these are the easy and simple solution to fix this problem. So that's it today guys, the short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.